Skinny Woodpecker by DragonTaint. You're sitting on my shoulder and pecking at my head. I wonder, was it something that I said? Pecking away with all his might. Pecking away, he's gonna make it right. I thought he was a fat canary, 'cause in the beginning it wasn't so scary. It wasn't so scary. More annoying than a desperate court jester, he turned into the skinny woodpecker. The skinny woodpecker. He's sitting on my shoulder and pecking at my head. I wonder, was it something that I said? Pecking away with all his might. Pecking away, he's gonna make it right. Some say a woodpecker, some say canary. Either way you look at it's real scary. But it ain't scary than what I've seen before. Random things just washing on shore. Sitting on my shoulder, back where it hurts. Pecking away, trying to ease the hurt. I thought he was a fat canary, 'cause in the beginning it wasn't so scary. More annoying than a desperate court jester, turned into the skinny woodpecker. The skinny woodpecker. Pecking away, trying to ease the strife. Pecking away, give me back my life. Pecking away with all his might. Pecking away, he's gonna make it right. Pecking away with all his might. Pecking away, he's gonna make it right. Pecking away, trying to ease your strife. Pecking away, give me back my life. Yeah. The skinny woodpecker. Sitting on my shoulder and pecking at my head. I wonder, was it something that I said? What did I say? He's sitting on my shoulder and pecking at my head. I wonder, was it something that I said? Something that I said. Oh no. He's sitting on my shoulder and pecking at my head. I wonder, was it something that I said? He's more annoying than a desperate court jester, he turned into the skinny woodpecker. The skinny woodpecker.